Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today's April 20th. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, and I'm so happy to see you all this morning. I wanted to go over what you're doing today. We are doing something different today for our reading time, so I'll go through that. But today is April 20th, and putting first things first, boys and girls, this is your class links page. This shows up as soon as you log in. So remember, the first thing you do is go to Google Classroom. And then we're going to go to the classwork tab. Today is day 20 of e-learning, and it's also April 20th. So let's go ahead and look at today's activities. The first thing you're going to do is math practice 14.3. Remember, boys and girls, you have a mini lesson video to watch first each day, and then you are doing an activity in Google Slides. So when you open the assignments, you will see there's an introduction video and a practice page. So the first thing you'll do is watch the video, and then you'll open up the slides for practice. You do not go to Big Ideas app, and you do not use your workbook. Everything's done right here in Google. So complete slides 2 through 4, which is questions 4, 5, and 6. If you delete a coin, you can click the back arrow and the coin will come back. So your learning target, show money amounts in different ways. So you're going to show me 23 cents in 2 ways. So here's your coins you will drag over, and there's more than one. So you'll notice when I move the quarter, there's one underneath it. When I move the nickel, there's another one underneath it. That way you have multiple coins to show me 2 different ways. For 23 cents, you'll drag one way for first way, and then a different amount of coins, a different collection of coins that also make 23. On slide 3, number 5, you will show me 49 cents 2 ways. And then on number 6, you'll show me 75 cents in 2 ways. When you're done, it'll save, X out, go back to Google Classroom. When you open the assignment and hit View Assignment, then mark it as turned in. All right, when you are done, I'll also have on there, when you are done, number 3, let's see, extra math. Because last week we only did it twice, so we need to make sure that we're doing our extra math and practicing those math facts. So after you do your slide and your extra math, go to Dreambox for 30 minutes and then come back and mark that as complete. There's your Dreambox. Remember, you just go back to your class links page, and here's your Dreambox tab. Go back to Google Classroom, mark it as complete. All right, so day 20 for reading today. I'm going to open up the assignment. Instead of using the Journeys book, we are going to do Myon. By now, you should have completed your Myon placement test. That way, it doesn't prompt you to do that when you log in today. But if you did not do your Myon test, you will need to do that first. It'll show you some book topics with smiley faces. You'll click if you like it. You'll give it a smiley face. If you don't like that topic, you'll do a frowny face. Click save, and then your placement test will start. The placement test does take about 20 to 25 minutes. So that is why I asked you to do that last week. So hopefully by now you finished that, and let's go ahead and look at day 20 reading. You're going to watch this video. Parents, it is 15 minutes because it goes through exactly how to open Myon, where to go to open your projects tab, and what you're doing. There's also a student directions tab link. You don't need to do anything here. This is just where you're seeing what you're doing again after you watch the video. So you're going to watch the instructional video. You're going to open the Myon app from the class links page. So I'll show you that real quick. Class links and Myon. Remember, my class links does look a little bit different than yours because mine is teacher view. So here is your Myon link. You are doing your reading in Myon. You're doing the work in Myon. I will check it in Myon. You do not do your reading work in a Google slide. You're looking at Google for the directions, but then you go to the Myon tab on your class links page to complete your assignments. You can also read books there this week for AR time. They're very easy to access, and when you click the read button, and this will go through your video. But if it says take an AR test, that means it's an AR book as well. So it'll take you right to your Reading Renaissance tab. So it's really easy to access books, parents, through MyOn for AR time as well. Okay, go to the project section on the student dashboard and open the weekly reading packet. So this week it's called 4.20.20 is your project. It's Prediction Graphic Organizer. Directions for how to complete the assignment are in the Instruction tab. Click Save when you're finished. And then by clicking Save, you are turning in that assignment. So make sure you are completing that. But all of these directions, boys and girls, are in this 15-minute video. So it's super important you watch that first. When you're done, hit Turn In. And then let's go back. You'll do Lexia today for 20 minutes. Remember, you do 20 minutes a day on Lexia no matter what level you are on. So here is your Core 5 Lexia tab. You'll go there. When you're done with that, you have Science Make a Pendulum. So you are going to go to Science. Let me open up the assignments. That's Teacher View. Okay, so you're going to open the Google Doc, and you are going to make a prediction first about the pendulum. Then, after you make your predictions, let me show you your sheet. You're going to make a prediction about blowing, tapping with your hand, tapping with paper, and no force. So what do you think it will do when you do that for a pendulum swing? Make a prediction. Then go back and watch the 8-minute video. After you watch the video today, you're going to tell me what was the results. What happened to the pendulum when there was blowing, when they tapped with your hand, tapped with paper, and no force. And then explain why you think that happens. Then come down and name 2 things that could happen when a force acts on a moving object. So tell me 2 more things that could happen when some kind of force acts or touches a moving object. When you're done, X out, go back and hit Turn In. And then the last thing today is your AR time. And I recommend using MyOn for your AR time today. And you can search books that way. A lot of them are AR books. So that would probably be the easiest, but you can still use Tumble Books and Epic. So that is it for today. Boys and girls, I did get a lot of friends turn in work over the weekend. So I will be going through that. If you are still missing assignments up to this point, I will send you another email, parents. But if there's anything I can do, please reach out. I would still love to see some pictures. I would love to share those during our morning meeting. Don't forget to wash your hands. Try not to touch your faces, and keep your distance from those who don't live in your household. I love you. I miss you. And I hope you all have a wonderful day and happy Monday. Bye, friends.